Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating your Fresha business account and verifying email and phone. This establishes ownership. Next, add your core details: business hours, time zone, and a concise service list with durations and prices so bookings are accurate. Then create staff profiles, assign roles, and configure permissions so each team member sees only what they need. Once done, link your chosen payment method and card terminal. This avoids lost revenue. Make sure to save as you go. Fresha auto-saves some fields, but double-check. You now configure booking rules to control flow, set minimum lead times, buffer gaps between appointments, max daily bookings per staff, and a clear cancellation policy so clients know expectations. Then integrate the online booking widget on your site and sync with Google Calendar or iCal. This prevents double bookings and keeps staff updated. For revenue, set deposits, enable card on file for repeat customers, allow tipping, and apply VAT or tax rates where required. Once configured, run a test booking from a client perspective to confirm. You're ready to launch. Train staff using demo bookings and role-specific checklists so everyone knows workflow. Then monitor analytics, bookings, revenue, and no-shows, and adjust rules or availability weekly to optimize utilization. Make sure clients can book online and receive confirmation SMS or email. If notifications don't send, check templates and phone numbers. If calendar sync or payments fail, reauthorize the calendar, clear your browser cache, verify time zones, and retest. If issues persist, contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.